friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the CPU throttling test in the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes, when this is my first time doing the CPU throttling test in the Realme GT Neo 2 out of the box. I did not install any kind of applications, and even I did not sign into my Google Play Store as well. As you can see exactly, only just I did install the Android benchmark application and CPU throttling application. I just want to see how well the CPU throttling will be performed in this device, and about the temperatures, how much higher the phone can actually reach in terms of the temperatures wise. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And this is my day one of using, and this is my first time doing the CPU throttling test in the Realme GT Neo 2, which I am not sure how much the results will be there in this device. So let's see the temperatures, how much it is before starting the test. It's of 32, not bad, 32 and 32. It's pretty good. So 32 degrees is pretty normal. There is no AC, there is no cooler in my room, absolutely nothing. And let's show me the settings. As you can see, I did show you the settings, 100 threads and 15 minutes. Same settings which I used before, same I'm gonna use right now as well. Let's start the test without wasting any time, and let's see how will be the stability in terms of the graph. So that's what I'm going to look after. So I should not see any kind of red color indications. That's a red alarm sign. So make sure to follow me regularly, friends. Again, I'll be back after some time, just continuing with the test. Maybe after 5 minutes of time, then we can actually discuss what is happening with the temperatures as well. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to exactly 10 minutes of time. In 10 minutes, as you can see, the graph, it's not that consistently maintaining. I think it came down to 90% as well. And let's check the temperatures, how much it is. So how well the cooling system is working. Right now it's of 39 Celsius. On the back side, 36 degrees. As you can see, 37 Celsius on the back side. 36 and 37. And 39 degrees, as you can see clearly, friends. So at this moment, I'm not sure whether the cooling system is kind of working or not, because this is the same temperature which the other phones also generated. I mean, iQOO 7 Mi11X device as well. But even the performance is also not that consistent. It's not close to 100% anyway, but still, I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison with iQOO 7 device. Then you'll be able to understand more better what is going on with those phones and these phones as well, comparing side-by-side. So I can be back after some time, friends, let you know. And so meanwhile, make sure to follow the playlist for the Realme GT Neo 2. So where you can actually find all the videos in one single playlist. So right now we're about to finish the CPU throttling test in the Realme GT Neo 2. And let's check the temperatures again. 39 degrees, it's staying exactly high temperatures. 35, 36, 37, 37, yes, 39. So even while doing the Android benchmark test and doing the CPU throttling test, I cannot see any kind of major differences in terms of the cooling system, and not even, I think, let's see, not even decreasing. So usually if there is a powerful cooling system, it should be decreased, I think, close to 37 degrees in terms of the CPU throttling temperature. 37 Celsius it should be there, but not close to 40. So even the iQOO 7 has got 38 and 39. So there should not be much difference, as I think so, as they speak. But let's see what happens. And right now the test is about to complete, and we'll be able to get to know the high scores and average, how much it maintained. And 92% of the CPU has been throttled, as you can see, friends, clearly. I'll try to take the screenshot as well. I did take the screenshot, so I'll try to save it, so later we can actually discuss. So these are the maximum results which I got: 3,30,000, 3,11,000 and 2,92,000. In terms of the CPU throttling, it throttled up to 92%. Not bad. Any phone more than 90%, that's really good and stable. And the graph, you can see, there is no 3 colors or 2 colors, nothing at all. I can see only 2 colors little bit, but not 3 colors. There is no yellow color and there is no red color. That's kind of really good sign to see at this moment, initial impressions while doing the CPU throttling test in the Realme GT. So after using couple of weeks, maybe couple of days, then I can actually do another testing. Then we'll be able to understand slightly more better results in this Realme GT Neo 2. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.